What's going on, guys? So me and my wife, we just got back from celebrating our 20th anniversary. Before we left, I picked up a DJI Mini 4 Pro, first drone I've owned in a really long time. So I took it out with us on the trails. On this particular video that you're gonna see, we took it to the Devil's Bathtub in Virginia. Incredible trail, really, really pretty. The Devil's Bathtub itself, hang out till the end of the video where you actually see the bathtub. One of the most gorgeous things I've ever seen. While we were on the trail, I flew the drone in manual mode a little bit. I'm not very good, but I also used the active track system on it and let it follow us through the trails and navigate around the trees. And I think it did a pretty good job. So like I said, hang out to the end of the video so you can see the actual Devil's Bathtub, and appreciate you guys. God bless.